bunch in here too.
My name is Jennifer Koop. I am a professor at University of Massachusetts, Dartmouth. I'm a professor of biology. So that's our catch. 5 wasps, 2 flies, and a moth and a partridge pear tree. Here in the Galapagos there are a number of invasive species that have likely hitchhiked rides with tourists and residents over to the islands, and one that is of particular concern is called Philornis downsi, which is a parasitic fly. It looks a lot like a housefly. What the flies do is they lay their eggs in the nests of the birds, and those fly eggs hatch, and it's the maggots or the larvae that are parasitic. And what they do is they crawl up from the bottom of the nests, and they will feed on the nestlings by chewing through their skin and then drinking up the blood and other fluids. They can cause really high levels of mortality. So the fly is now found on almost all of the islands. And so this is obviously a big concern for the park. They want to know more about this fly, including where it came from and whether or not it's still moving between the islands. And so what we're doing for our project while on board the Endeavour is to try to actually catch it in the act. So we have put up insect traps around the boat, and we are trying to catch Philornis, essentially stowing away between islands. We are also then going out at night and searching the boat for any other insects that maybe are attracted to the lights or that came back with us on the Zodiacs, or have found their way there by some other means. If we find that Philornis is in fact hitchhiking rides between the islands, it's something that's of interest to the Galapagos National Park as they work to create management plans for this fly. So unfortunately, the fly is very likely here to stay in some regards. However, it can be managed and populations can be reduced. This is an absolutely amazing opportunity for us, and we are really, really thankful to both National Geographic and Lindblad expeditions for the opportunity.